Hello everyone, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video, we're going to be going over the user group right to be able to view and export audit logs from the system. We'll go to Settings, Users and Groups, select the group we want to give this permission to, and scroll down to Rights. Within Rights, we can open up Settings, and then towards the bottom, we'll find Logs. If a user group has this permission, then when they click on Settings, they'll see Logs right here. And they'll be able to pull logs from various sections of the application. So login information, whether they logged in, logged out, or failed to log in, when it happened, who it was. Information regarding what was observed and what took place during that observation, including things like sharing links. What took place during recordings. So this is where we get a little bit more into things like adding comments, starting, stopping, editing evaluations. Review, which adds a few more items in, such as playback, comments, exporting records, everything else that might take place in review. Auditing what took place with scheduling, and auditing any sort of administrative changes. And as I mentioned, you're also able to export these logs if you have permission to access them. And that's a user group right to be able to access the logs within VALT.